Hey YouTube, it's me Chris, and this is VEDA day number 12. And yes, I will be doing another nostalgia video for today. And this one goes even more back than the VCR and all the other nostalgia videos that I have done so far on this VEDA. I know I still have this lying around and you're thinking, what is this? What do I have? And I don't know what this means, the TT. I don't even know what that means. But I thought, okay, I'll go ahead and show you what this is. Okay, basically I had to use both hands to take it off, but here we go. Yep, it's an old school typewriter. Now I won't basically say remember these things, because I'm sure that very few, even those actually remember these. Yeah, this is basically just a basic typewriter. Hard to believe I still have this lying around, but I do. So basically, yeah, the ribbon itself is pretty much out of place, and I really am not in the mood to put it back again. But I thought I'd just show you right here. Basically, you just put the paper in here, like this. You can move it up, and then you just start typing. And I'm guessing these things right here, I guess, adjust when you want to start on the next line, etc., etc. Again, I don't know too much about this typewriter mess, and I'm guessing down here you got this low ink and high ink, depending on how dark you want it. Again, and then color, I guess red and black. So again, don't quote me too much on this, because I've actually looked on the internet for any information on this thing and couldn't find too much. And I actually went searching for this particular type of typewriter on YouTube and couldn't find anything. So I thought, since I have it around, why not just talk about it? Again, it's not extremely useful in my life, but again, nostalgia purposes. I know in my early childhood I used to just, mess around with it. But I was coming at a time when the personal computers were coming out, or at least getting popular. I don't know. Well, we had one, and I just, went through that. I didn't grow up in this time with the typewriters. So that's pretty much it. Again, I'm sure I can find something else of nostalgia value, even going way back than this, but I don't think there's too much. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video tomorrow.